Okay, we're at Walmart, and somebody has parked their car in a motorcycle parking, which made it difficult for us to park the car. Park the bike. So because people don't know how to park anymore, this car's in the spot. It says motorcycle parking. Guess what? There it is. Parked in a motorcycle parking. What a shame. I'm gonna tell these motherfuckers I know about some. Let's try to talk to security up in here. I'm gonna talk to this guy. Right, give me a card, will you? Hey, you know, there's a car parked in the motorcycle parking. There's a car parked in the motorcycle parking right here.
You just can't do anything.
Outside, you have a security outside also.
Okay,
If you have any problem, the security is moving, patrolling the car. Because I'm inside.
Well, but maybe since you had a rodeo and he's not,
No
he's not close by.
Yeah.
Tell him that's the electronics. I'll be back there in a minute.
Well, I'll wait up here. Just until you can find that girl. Tell her we got video.
Alright, first.
So we're up here, and that car right there is parked at a motorcycle parking only.
Where we park?
We're just dead here waiting for security.
Driving patrol is on the fucking outfit. Who the hell? Who the girl up over there?
pepper spray.
They're out there?
Apparently, I guess they're installing the whole goddamn thing.
Well, how far are they? Oh, I see the lights way over there. I'm not doing nothing else to get this figured out, because that's crap. They can't park around like that. It says motorcycle parking only. That's not car parking. And they need to get fucking ticketed. And they need to fucking ass whipped. And those two people right there behind me that were over there, they're standing over there. I bet you that car belongs to them.
No.
Doesn't. They were right there, and now they're back over there.
No, 'cause I'm pretty sure he would have said something when I freaking used my hip to hit the dude in there.
We got one more road to go down. We'll be coming over here. Plus, if that car leaves and they hit my bike, somebody will get in fucking trouble for that shit. They shouldn't be allowed to fucking do that. There's no excuse.
Because I prepare.
They just turn down the back.
Where's a cop in here? I think that car's theirs. You see how they were standing over here and now they're back over there. Why would they stand there and move over there and just be quiet about it? See if they don't come back down the back line.
see.
Yeah, so we're at the 32nd Street in Thomas. Found pretty good something, and now we gotta wait for security up here to report this car. Somebody parked in a motorcycle parking. They don't belong there.
That's crazy. That's great. That's when you know you're doing it wrong, man. Thank you.
Here they come, slowly, but
Yeah, we had the fucking detour off. Oh, fuck. There you go, detour.
you know what? I would just ride the bike down there, or walk down there and tell them that somebody, I'll stay here. I don't know if you can get out with mine or not.
Walk right and hold it. And there are a lot of houses out of
So because someone don't want to be respectful and they want to park in that lot. Either they park in disabled when they're not, or they park in a motorcycle where they shouldn't be. So that's stupid.
right now, I'm just staying in the crib. Everything else is mine.
Theoretical money in your pocket and you have to spend it.
That's my toy.
Hey! There's security right there, but they turn around and go in somewhere else. Almost in here in front of her that it's car belongs to. People don't respect. They don't care. There's nothing they can park anywhere on a motorcycle parking lot. They could do about it. They're parked in a motorcycle parking and they don't park a car there. Well, somebody's Walmart security doesn't want to do their job. It's there's nothing they can do about it. Once again, so what if we asked to speak to a police officer in there?